Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Intercom for enhanced customer engagement. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing the Intercom website. Log into your Intercom account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, look for the App Settings option. Click on App Settings to enter the app configuration area. Identify the type of integration you wish to connect with. For example, you might want to integrate with your website or a mobile app. Select the appropriate integration option. Follow the prompts provided for the specific integration type. You might need to input your API key or authentication details. Ensure that your API credentials are correct to avoid connection issues. Once you've entered the necessary information, click on the Connect button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the connection has been established. Next, configure your customer engagement settings. Set up automated messages and responses based on customer behavior. Utilize the segmentation tools to tailor messages for different customer groups. Explore the opportunity to integrate with other tools or platforms as needed. Test the connection to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Engage with your customers through Intercom's messaging features. Monitor customer interactions and gather feedback. Adjust your strategy based on customer engagement analytics. Continually refine your approach to improve overall customer experience. By following these steps, you can successfully connect with Intercom for enhanced customer engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.